Hey, amazing teachers! Want an easy way to spark engagement and critical thinking in picture talk? Try asking, how would it change when discussing an image? It's a small tweak that delivers big results. Instead of just describing a picture, challenge students to imagine how it would shift if just one detail were different. What if the boy in the picture was running instead of walking? What if it were winter instead of summer? Instantly, you've got students analyzing, predicting, and discussing, all in the target language. Here's a concrete way to make this work. Show an image to your class and pick one specific element to modify. Let's say you have a picture of a crowded beach. Ask, how would the scene change if it were nighttime? Or would it be different if there were no people? This gets students thinking beyond basic descriptions and using more complex language. To level it up, you can have students compare two versions of the same picture, one original and one altered, and discuss the differences. Want to supercharge your CI teaching skills? Take the CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz. It's a fun and fast way to assess where you are on your CI journey and get personalized strategies to level up your teaching. Plus, it's free. Give it a try and see how you can keep making language learning even more engaging.